I am back with another packing video, except this time I have revamped my wardrobe. My boyfriend and I are going to Europe for 8 weeks. We are hitting 4 different countries: France, Italy, Greece, and Germany. I wanted to have a European summer style wardrobe. All of my clothes were being stored in Florida, but we just got back from emptying out our storage unit, so I pretty much went shopping in my own closet, and I'm super excited to have all my clothes back and kind of repack my suitcase, start fresh. I should preface by saying I am not a backpacker. We kind of do what is called slow travel, and we just spend longer periods of time in different places. So I travel with 2 carry-ons. I will be using a backpack and a suitcase. I don't check bags. This is everything I'm bringing. I really hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. I recently posted a video of what I pack for full-time travel, so if you're interested in that, I will put that on the screen somewhere. But I will start by showing you what luggage I use. This suitcase right here is what I use. It's nothing fancy. It's actually my sister's. It gets the job done. It's the kind that rolls on all 4 wheels, so I really like that. Nothing too fancy, but I am very excited to announce I did just get a new book bag. Sorry to interrupt, Kaylee from the future. I wanted to jump in here and say that I did not end up using that book bag. I actually returned it to Amazon. I think it was way too big. I feel like simple is better. This is the Nike book bag that I always travel with. It's literally the book bag that I used in college for school. It's nothing special. This bag pretty much is just one giant pocket, a couple smaller ones. The amount of like zippers and pockets and contraptions in there was actually defeating the purpose because I just couldn't fit that much. I'm still on the hunt for a new book bag, but I think less is more. So kind of upsetting because I was excited to use that, but this is supposed to be my personal item on planes, which is already kind of pushing it. I just wanted to say I did not use that bag. I returned that bag and I used my trusty dusty Nike book bag. Okay, back to the video. So I'll quickly go over kind of the boring stuff. I'm going to be bringing about 4 or 5 t-shirts, nothing crazy, just for sleeping and lounging, 3 pairs of comfortable sleeping shorts, 2 pairs of athletic shorts, mostly just for lounging around, a pair of these comfortable, airy lounging shorts. I'm kind of packing for mostly summer / beginning of fall. We're going to be there for August, September, and very early October, so it shouldn't be getting too cold yet. But 1 pair of very lightweight sweatpants. And that's it for just the comfy clothes that I'll be wearing to bed and around the house. I've been hearing a lot of people talk about dresses and skirts being the way to go in European summer because it's so hot, so I'm kind of leaning into that. I'm bringing 4 dresses, 3 long ones and 1 short one. This first one is just a plain black. It's more fitted, stretchy material, but still super comfortable. This one is just a long, flowy kind of sundress vibe, palm tree, kind of tropical print on it. This dress, again, kind of sundress vibe, just this cute paisley pattern on it, and then just this short blue dress, super cute. I travel with this all the time. Along with that, I have this long linen patterned skirt. Super excited for this. I actually just got this at Old Navy, and do not sleep on Old Navy because they have cute affordable stuff. But just a long linen skirt. And then I have this, which could be worn as a dress or a skirt. Ribbed cream color fitted dress / skirt. I might wear it both ways. We'll see. To continue on with bottoms, I'm going to be bringing my classic pair of jeans that I always travel with. They are just a light wash, no holes or anything. They match a lot of stuff. I'm also going to bring a black pair of jeans. They're kind of flowy at the bottom with some holes in the legs. I think it'll be good for when it starts getting a little bit chillier towards the end of our trip. And then I'm just going to bring 1 pair of jean shorts. I like these. They're a little bit longer. So that's it for my bottoms and my dresses. Now I'm going to get into all of the tops that I'm bringing. I'm going to bring 3 long sleeves with me. This red long sleeve is kind of more active wear. This cream colored long sleeve, it's kind of a crop top with this cute collar on it. And then just this really thin long sleeve brown top. Nothing too heavy, something very light. Along with that, I always travel with this, but this is just a very lightweight green sweater. And then I'm also going to be bringing this, I feel like is a classic when you go to Europe, but it's just a white linen button up. Super cute to just throw throw over anything and everything, really. Very European, I think. I hope I did not go overboard with the amount of tank tops I am bringing. I just cannot decide, so think I'm gonna bring all of these. We'll see how many I can fit, but it might be excessive. I always travel with this. It's just an activewear type of tank top. Again, good for if we're doing any hiking or whatever. Just a black lounging tank top, then just a tan halter neck tank top. Again, they're very plain, just a brown fitted tank top, pretty much the same exact thing in like this blue-gray color. Then I got, these feel a little bit more dressed up. It's kind of loose here around the neck, which I think makes it look a little bit fancier, a little bit dressier. Then I also have this tank top, which is kind of different because, kind of hard to show, but it crosses here in the back. Just something a little bit different than all of the other tank tops I'm bringing. Continuing on, I have this very cropped, but it's a linen white tank top, just very lightweight. This black linen tank top from, again, Old Navy. Super cute, and it has these cute buttons on the back, but very flowy, lightweight. Linen is just very European to me, so. Also going to be bringing two baby tees. This blue one, You Just Got Served. Simple, and then just a black baby tee. Nothing crazy, but just a good basic to have. This, which I always travel with. I love this top. I'm showing it again, yes. Just this top from Billabong. Super cute. A pop of color if I want to feel colorful. And then this tank top, which is also a very fun pattern. Super cute, and it's lightweight. I'm only going to bring one bathing suit because we're not really going to any coastal cities. The closest we'll get to the coast is going to be in Athens. I'm just going to bring one bathing suit because I don't really think I'll need them, but just in case I'll have one. I'm also going to bring my green North Face windbreaker just in case it's rainy at all. And then for shoes, I'm kind of lacking in the shoe department. I'm just not really a shoe girl. Don't have that many options. I'm only bringing this one pair of white sneakers. I got these at DSW. I honestly don't even know the brand. The Tiger. I've never seen this brand before, but the shoes are super comfortable. I've already worn them once just to kind of break them in. I just wanted something that'll be good for walking and that will match everything, so white sneakers are obviously the way to go. Ideally, I would like to have a pair of comfortable sandals, but I wasn't able to find any. I don't own any. And finally, this is my toiletry bag. This holds my makeup and some of my toiletries. And then I always travel with this crossbody bag. This is always on me. Everything else that I'll have can really just get shoved into this book bag. All of the loose ends, like hairbrushes and socks and random things like that, will just find a home somewhere in this bag. Honestly, I'm not super strategic when it comes to packing. I just try to flatten everything out as much as possible so that it all fits. I don't really have a super good method, but that is pretty much the gist of what I'm bringing to Europe. I am super excited for this trip. Please stay tuned to see how our Europe trip goes. Like I said, we'll be there for 8 weeks. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you found it helpful. Again, I have another packing video on my channel. I'll put it on the screen here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video in Europe. Bye!